The 2009 Audi A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning front alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, security system, fog lights, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, power moonroof, leather seats, panic alarm. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.